What's up guys, Will H, and today I'm going to be unboxing my new iPad Air 13-inch 2024. So this is the 6th edition of this. I got the 8 gigabytes of RAM, 250 gigabytes of storage version of this. I also got it in the Starlight color. It's just a color that I wanted to change up. Recently bought my MacBook Air right here, the 13-inch MacBook Air. So this kind of completes my Apple ecosystem here. I have the Apple Watch, the AirPods, the iPhone, and I still have my Mac Mini over there on my desk. So supposed to trade that in for this, but thinking about keeping the Mac Mini now. So some of the features and details of this tablet here. It has a 13-inch liquid retina display. Features P3 wide color gamut, true tone, and it's supposed to have ultra low anti-reflectivity on the display, so that'll be great. This features the M2 chip in it, which is a great upgrade for me. I've always liked the iPad Air, but I'm glad they came up with a bigger size. The cameras on this, you got a 12 megapixel ultra wide front facing camera, got a 12 megapixel wide on the rear that'll shoot up to 4K. This features Wi-Fi 6E and it has Touch ID. So those are just a few of the features and details. Quite sure you guys have seen all of the videos. So Apple logo, iPad Air, Apple logo, and then here are the specs right here. 13-inch M2 Wi-Fi. So you can get this with cellular as well. Let's go ahead and check this out. And like I said, I've been waiting on a bigger size iPad. Call it 13, but I think it's really 12.9. And we're gonna set this over to the side. As you guys see, it's just a little smaller, shorter than the MacBook Air. In the packaging, we don't get nothing. We don't even get the Apple stickers anywhere anymore. You get your getting started guide here. Welcome to iPad right there. And you get your regulatory stuff there. Now they didn't put Apple stickers in here this time. I got a lot of them, so don't really need it. I think this is a 20-watt charger right here, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 20 watts. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it says 20 watts. And then you get your braided cable here, USB-C to USB-C. And that is pretty much it in the box, guys. So wasn't expecting much, but I like to see if they put a little something extra in mine. So let's unbox this. This is the Starlight color, and here it is. So it looks, by my camera looking at it, looks silver, and my lighting in here looks silver, but it's supposed to be Starlight. So you got your pen connector right here. I guess when you use your Apple Pencil Pro, you can connect right there. Volume up and down. Power/fingerprint sensor, 2 speakers. This has quad speakers. Nothing on this side. 2 more speakers and your charging port, Type-C. And then you got your pogo pins there on the back. iPad Air. Your Apple logo and your 12 megapixel camera, I think I said right there. And a microphone right there. And then you got your camera on the front of it. I must have turned it on by accident there. You're gonna have your camera on the front right here this time. And that's gonna be great for your FaceTime. Minimal bezels going around here, looks great. Very thin, and I like the size of it. So gonna go ahead and get it set up. We'll come right back. Okay guys, so I have my iPad set up. No apps or anything on it, just, basically logged into it. Had an update out of the box, so it's on iPad OS 17.5. And just strolling around, even though this is not a 120 hertz refresh rate, Apple does a great job optimizing it, where to me it doesn't really feel slow. The display looks good, gets up to 600 nits, so the brightness is going to be great. I do love the size of it. The anti-reflective coating looks great. It's not very reflective like some tablets. This comes in some other colors as well. You can get it in space gray. This is the Starlight, even though it doesn't look like that on camera. It also comes in purple and blue as well. Weighs 1.36 pounds, so very light and thin. This is aluminum frame. I didn't mention that on the front, and aluminum on the back as well. I said I have the basic model, but it also comes in 128 gigabytes, 256, 512, and 1 terabyte. This is running, like I said, out of the box. It's going to be running iPad, not out of the box. I just had an update, so 17.5 right there. And the storage, let's look up the storage right quick. So out of the box, it's using 20.2 out of the 256. Like I said, I haven't added anything on the device. You know, I think this is going to be ample storage for me. And I'm really going to truly enjoy this size of it as well. So yeah, man, this is my first impressions of the Apple iPad Air 13-inch 2024. More videos to come on this. Will H. I'm out.